How to enable or disable TikTok activity status. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the For You page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Go to the option profile. You will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. With that, different options will pop up. Go to the option settings and privacy. Now over here you will find different sections. Under account section you will find this option of privacy. Open that option. Now here you can find this option of activity status. You can easily toggle on for this option. In this way, if you want to disable it, you can easily do that as well. Just toggle off for this option. When this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status. You will see each other's activity status only when both of you turn on this. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily enable or disable TikTok activity status. If you guys find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.